a magic today. As you can see, I have the details of 6 videos over here and I want to generate the thumbnail for all of them together. I am just going to do 2 clicks and automatically the thumbnails for all of these 6 videos will be generated and added right over here in this thumbnail column. As you can see, I've entered all the video details like the title, thumbnail style, emotion, objective, background theme and the color. And as you can see, the thumbnails are generated right over here, all these 6. So let me just check the thumbnail. So this is the first thumbnail. As you can see, the background is green, which we mentioned, and this is the thumbnail over here. The second thumbnail is this. The color should be blue for this. So let me just open it and you're going to see, yes, it is exactly the same as I've mentioned. Now let's check the third thumbnail. It should be of yellow and you're going to see, yes, the touch of yellow is there. Now let me just check the next thumbnail for purple and you can see it is the same. Let me just check the next thumbnail and you're going to see, yes, the details are used and the thumbnails are created according to the details which I have mentioned. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So I just created thumbnails of 6 videos, but like this you can create 100 plus thumbnails just in a single click like I did. And let's see how we can create this automation for free today. So come with me and I'll show you how you can do this. You just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect, which means you can generate up to 100 thumbnails for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Apart from the thumbnails, you can generate many more details or you can do much more using Pabbly Connect. We regularly upload videos on our YouTube channels creating multiple automation, so you can check those out too. Okay, so let's just see how we can generate 100 plus thumbnails automatically with AI now. So you just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. In order to start, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. So this is the Google Sheets in which I have the details of all the videos. So let's just delete the thumbnails first. Okay, so as you can see, we have the details of all the videos for which we want to generate the thumbnail. What we have to do is we first have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. We have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very crucial step. Otherwise, you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in extensions tab. Once you view this option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, you have to enter the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and the trigger column over here. So as you can see, I've successfully entered both of the details, but you must be wondering what is this trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send these 6 details towards my workflow. That's the reason I've kept my trigger column as F. If you want to send 5 details, your trigger column will be E. If you want to send 4 details, it will be D, and so on. The trigger column depends upon your own spreadsheet. You just have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column, then click on this submit, and you're going to see a line which says setup configured successfully. This means the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is created, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So now to capture this webhook response, just go back towards your sheets and click on this send test. It is saying test data sent successfully, so it has sent this first row towards my workflow. So let me check and I'm going to see yes, the details are captured right over here. Okay, so now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to generate the thumbnail using this detail, and further we'll see how to generate 100 plus altogether. We have to click on this add new action step, and now for the event or or you can say action application, you have to search for Google Gemini. If you want to use Gemini in order to generate the thumbnails, otherwise you can choose your AI platform over here. For the event, I'm just going to select it as generate and edit images, Nano Banana, and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just go on this Google AI Studio. Over here you're going to find the link in the help text, and once you open this Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side you have to go on this get API key section and then click on this create API key button. You have to name your key, choose the project, and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then just copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. Then click on this save, and your Google Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? I have already built this connection, so I'm just going to go on this select existing connection and then save, and now it is asking me to choose the model. Now you have to search for Nano Banana, and once you search for Nano Banana, you're going to see multiple options. It's your choice which option you want to select. I'm just going to choose it as Nano Banana 2. Now over here it is asking for the method. So over here for the method, I'm just going to select it as generate content. Now it is asking me for the prompt, so I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow. If you also want this amazing prompt, what you can do is you can simply comment prompt, and I'm just going to share you the prompt. So I've entered this prompt according to my own needs of the thumbnail which I want. You have to enter the prompt according to your own YouTube channel. You have to give the tone of your YouTube channel to the prompt so that it can generate you the accurate thumbnails. What else you can do is you can simply copy my prompt and you can give this prompt to your AI agent like ChatGPT or Gemini and ask that AI to simply create an amazing prompt which is relevant for your YouTube channel like this. So it is going to create the same for you. So as you can see, I've simply entered this prompt, and in this prompt I'm just going to enter the details of the video. Why I have not entered this manually? Because I want that these details should change with every new response, and if I'm just going to enter it manually, it will not change with every new response. It will remain same because the prompt will remain same every time, right? Only the details of the video is going to change, using which it is going to generate me the new thumbnail. So what I'm just going to do is, instead of entering the video details manually, I am going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the video details right over here. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details, and simply press enter to map the details right over here. Otherwise, you can put a slash, search for the details, and select it like this. So it totally depends upon you and your convenience. After enter the prompt, you're good to go. It is asking for many other details, but both of these are not required. So I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. I'll just let you know when this is required. So let's say you want to add a creator image in the thumbnail. So what you can do is you can simply upload a file URL to Gemini first, and then you can simply map that file URL right over here. And in the prompt, you can mention that using the creator image which I've attached, generate the thumbnail. So it is going to generate the thumbnail using the same creator image you have attached over here. This is very useful feature if you want to do this. And now just click on the save and send test request button in order to get your thumbnail. You're going to see we have received the response, and over here is the file URL which is our thumbnail. So let's just copy and open it in a new tab, and you're going to see yes, this thumbnail is generated and it looks perfect. So let me just simply add this thumbnail in my Google Sheets first, and then my team is going to review it. If they find it good, they can move on further and upload it on my YouTube channel. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, choose Google Sheets again. For the event, you have to select it as update cell value this time and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on add new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and over here we have to enter some details like the spreadsheet and the sheet. After this, we have to enter the range which needs to be updated. So we have to enter the range like the column name plus the row index. So as you can see, the column name over here is G and the row index is 2. So I'm just going to enter G2 right over here. but right now it is G2, but with every new response it will change. It will be G3, G4, G5, G6 and G7 and so on. But right now, as you can see, G will remain constant, only the row index is going to change. So I can keep this column as static but simply map the row index. So I'm just going to simply search for the row index and map it like this. Now for the value, put a slash and simply map the URL which Gemini has given you, which is the file URL, and click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response. So let me just open my spreadsheet and the thumbnail is added right over here. Like this, we have generated a single thumbnail, but how can we generate it for all the videos? For that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and it is going to generate you the thumbnail using Gemini, and the thumbnail URL will be added right over here one by one. Apart from that, if you want that whenever you add the new details, the thumbnail for the same should also be generated, then you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send on event button. Now once this button is switched on, what is going to happen is whenever you're going to add the new details, the thumbnail for the same video will also be generated. As you can see, the rest of the thumbnails are generated right over here and they look perfectly fine and so good. You're going to see that I've mentioned this color as yellow and it is using yellow as the pop-up color right over here. This is so accurate because my prompt was good. You have to make sure that the prompt you're using should be very accurate and good in order to get good thumbnails like this. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you want the amazing prompt, just comment prompt and my team is going to send you this prompt. Apart from that, we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, so go try this for free. And if you like it and if you want to purchase the subscription plan, don't forget the discount coupon code, which is RITYT. Okay, you will also see it in the description box below. You can copy it from there directly to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.